Really?
I've never seen her so excited.
Apparently she likes her cousin.
Oh, she was doing a funny face.
Oh, she was very funny.
How'd you guys know where we were? Jason told you?
I had a general idea. How did you find us?
Well, I knew we were going through your day. But
Perry's so freaked out.
Where's Uncle Jason?
they were going to movies, but.
Perry seems so overwhelmed.
She's in a really good mood. She'll talk. I know. I've met her this quiet. But she's not in a bad mood. I think she's just trying to figure it out. Yeah,
She's like, what is going on?
Why is this thing just walking in my face? Her face, she's like. She's so you need to look at her face from over here. That is funny. She's making these really funny facial expressions. She's
Like she's trying to talk.
She's like, what? She still won't hold her head up very well. She's like, I was like, what are you? Yeah.
She's like, Mom, there's a hairless chicken in the house.
She looks like you.
Emily. No.
She's like so excited. She's my size. Oh, I'm a big piece. She's never around other babies. Gosh. It's like, she's like, let me hold you.
Don't touch it.
Her face. She's so excited. Did she get on her hands and knees yet? And No. like, no. Yeah, Perry, she's like, she'll roll over like, it's really quick. But she's not interested in trying to crawl yet. Maybe another month.